to my channel. Today I'm doing my Boxyluxe unboxing for June. There it is. So let's get into this. You got your little card. The theme is Getaway. First thing I get out of here is something from PYT. What is this? Is this a hair dryer? Yeah, it's a hair dryer. Aw, it's pink. How cute. Excuse Morris. He's making a lot of noise. So that's that. Then we have Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast.
Okay. It's in
Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Illuminating Skin Refresh Mist. I love the Skin & Co. brand, so I'm really excited for that. Then we have this Dr. Brandt Clean Biotic pH Balanced Yogurt Cleanser with chlorophyll. That'd be interesting to try. Then we have this Trestique. What the hell is this? It's some kind of mascara, but I don't know. That's kind of weird. Does it have it on the card? Let's see. Okay, since I have the card out, the little PYT Turbo on-the-go dryer retails for $85. Are they nuts? Good God. The Dr. Brandt Clean Biotic pH Balanced Yogurt Cleanser with chlorophyll retails for $35. The Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast retails for $29. The Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Radiant Dew Mist retails for $35. Trestique Good Vibes Mascara. Treat your lashes to the ultimate curling, lengthening, and volumizing fun with your new Trestique Good Vibes Mascara. This all-in-one lash curler tool plus lash enhancing mascara gives you everything you need to take your lash to the next level. It's the first of its kind. It retails for $25. It looks really weird. Interesting. Then we have Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow AHA Resurfacing Night Serum. This retails for $58. Looks nice. Then we have Touch and Soul No Problem Prime Essence, which retails for $23. Then we have the Dummy Cosmetics Lemonade Lip Gloss, which retails for $17. Lemonade. This one is called Strawberry Lemonade. I don't know if people got different ones, but that's pretty. I've never tried anything from Dummy Cosmetics, but I have heard of them. So that's fun. And lastly is Tarte BU Naturally Eyeshadow Palette. That's the box. Ooh, the packaging's pretty. This is a very neutral palette. It's pretty. Very work appropriate. And it always smells like vanilla. So that is it for my BoxyCharm box. The only thing that I'm probably, I don't know if I'd actually like this or not. I'll have to try it and see, but I don't know about this Justique mascara. This looks weird. Maybe Mom will like it. She's over here nodding her head.
I'm the mascara person.
She loves mascara.
Might give it to Morris.
Why don't you give it to the cat? He doesn't need no mascara.
He's such a brat. What are you doing?
So that's my BoxyCharm box. So stay tuned for my Ipsy box unboxing, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.